Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to disable voice calls on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu. Find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy section, tap on Calls. Under Who Can Call Me section, select Nobody. Tap the right icon to save the changes. That's it. Voice calls has been disabled. This is how you can disable voice calls on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.